Hello YouTube, this is Barry McCockner from Ghetto Grown, and next up we're going to have how to make a homemade jailhouse tattoo machine. Keep watching. This is everything you need to make a jailhouse tattoo machine. You need a lighter, black tape, a 9-volt battery, a spoon that I've already cut and bent. You need a pencil, and then a motor that you can use to do it. You take all the guts out of the mechanical pencil, you cut it down to size to where you can get it a little bit shorter than what you need it. And then you take and you put the motor on the tattoo machine, pull it back enough to give it a room. Take a piece of tape about this long, set it on there, get it lined up as good as possible. And wrap the tattoo machine. See how I get it lined up with this? If you put this on there and you have it on there and you have a needle, actually I need to push it back a little bit, but I've already put a hole in this, and every time this goes around it makes the needle go up and down. So let's scoot this back a little bit. There, and then we'll tape this all up. Make it kind of tight as you can so it doesn't move around. Longer piece. Okay, that's on there. And you take this and you put it right there. And you wrap your tube on there. Get it as straight as you can. Then what you do, if you were in jail, you probably wouldn't have a 9-volt battery, but if you did, you'd want to put it right here. And we'll just put a little bit of tape on there. so it's easy to come off. And then you take your guitar string and you cut it. About this long, and then you bend it towards an L shape. And there's a little hole that I put in there, and that's where you put your needle. And then it goes in here and pushes it up and down. Then you take this and put it like that. And there you go. A lot of people these days take guitar strings and take apart one needle and rub and use some sewing machine thread and wrap it around the needle and the bar, and so you can change out needles. But if you're using a guitar string, you want to sharpen it with a match striker or a piece of emery cloth so you can really sharpen it up. Anyways, that's how you make a tattoo machine. Y'all motherfuckers need Jesus in your life!